There we go.
Marks again, nines?
Yes, we have for the plaintiff, I will be Mr. Nessum. Carrie is the witness, and Judge Sklar will be the court, the people's court. So a little 180, another like 5-minute take or so. So if you guys are ready, little colloquy, and I don't believe we actually have anyone, I don't believe it's anyone's exam. I believe the whole thing is colloquy until about the end, when I think I will begin some examination. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, now can we bring the jury in?
Yes, Your Honor.
May we do so? And our first witness will be?
We are taking out of order Mr. Robert Broder.
What is the time estimate for Mr. Broder?
I originally gave you a 2-hour estimate, and I hope to be less than that.
All right. The record will reflect that the jury is now present and in the box. It is 1:45. Folks, you have all expressed a desire to end at a certain time. If, and I have said on numerous occasions, we cannot begin until everyone is here. If you are not going to be here and you have a good reason, give us a call. Even if you have a bad reason, give us a call. At least we know where you are and when you are going to be here, and we can do other matters. But the guarantees that you are going to be finished before April 1 is predicated on the fact that we will be trying this case. And if we have times that we are not trying the case, it is going to impact upon when we finish. You may call your next witness.
Your Honor, we will call out of order, interrupt Mr. Getman, and call Mr. Robert Broder.
Okay, Mr. Broder, would you come forward?
Yes, sir.
Would you stand there and raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes.
Would you be seated? Would you speak into the microphone in a loud and clear voice, state your full name, and spell both your first and last name?
Robert Broder, B-R-O-D-E-R, R-O-B-E-R-T.
All right, Mr. Broder, your business or occupation?
I am a talent agent, sir.
Do you have a particular client that has anything to do with this lawsuit?
Not a party to the lawsuit, sir.
No, I said anything to do with the lawsuit that has been mentioned or any...
Yes, sir. My client, Mr. James Burrows, has testified in this matter and is a principal in the Will and Grace series.
Okay, have you testified in court ever before?
I don't believe so, sir.
Okay, let me give you some suggestions that may be helpful. First of all, let me apologize. The sound system is not very good. You need to talk directly into that microphone as though it were a telephone. You need to listen very carefully to the questions that are asked by the lawyer. Do not begin an answer until you are sure you understand it. And if you don't, simply say, repeat it, restate it, I don't understand, and we will get you a better question. Once you have done that, answer only what the lawyer asked you. We don't want to have monologues. We don't want to have long speeches. Just answer the question. The lawyer will bring you along. If you answer yes or no to a yes or no question, the lawyer may very well follow that up by another question, and then you can answer that. Will you do those things?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now that you understand the question, you know what your answer is going to be. I would admonish you not to give the answer because we need to let the lawyers on the other side of the table have an opportunity to object. And once he says objection, you stop and I will make a ruling. I will either way. You may answer the question or you will get a new question. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these folks to your right are the judges of this case. They must hear and understand what you say. If you mumble, if you talk too fast, if you allow your voice to trail off, they won't be able to hear you and they can't do their job.
I will.
They have been advised by me to yell at you and say, talk up or stop talking so fast. The lady sitting in front of you is the court reporter. She must take down each and every word that you say. And if you go too fast or if you slur your words, she will tell you to slow down or to repeat what you say. Do you understand so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Mr. Broder.
Good afternoon.
In what city do you reside?
Los Angeles.
Where are you currently employed?
A company called ICM International Creative Management.
What is your position there?
I am an agent in the company.
Can you briefly tell me your employment history, companies you have been with, and positions and times?
Yes, sir, I started in the entertainment business as a business affairs executive at 20th Century Fox Television. I was there for about 3 years. I joined a company called International Creative, international famous artists for 5 years. I was then at a company talent agency called Ziegler Ross Tennant. I returned to work for ICM for 2 years and then went on my own and opened my own agency with a partner by the name of Norman Kurland in 1978. We had that agency up until about 4 months ago when we were acquired by International Creative Management.
Thank you. And how long have you been Jimmy Burrows' agent approximately?
At least 30 years.
Okay, and you were one of the packaging agents on Will and Grace?
That's correct.
And you were represented by Jeff McFarland, who is sitting here in the audience.
That is correct.
And NBC is paying your legal fees in connection with this lawsuit?
To the extent that we have some, yes, sir.
Okay, and who did you discuss that with?
I don't recall, sir.
My fault. I thought I said to you, but if I didn't, I apologize. Before you give an answer, stop. Let the lawyer on the other side make an objection. If you blurt out the answer, we might as well not have me here, and I will go someplace else and find something else to do.
Can I come with you?
Unfortunately, no. You will stay here. The answer is stricken. The objection is, counsel?